Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so they can see each other. Make sure the Epson printer is powered on, connected to your router, and has current firmware. This prevents compatibility issues. On your phone, join the exact same Wi-Fi network. Guest networks often block device discovery. Then install Epson iPrint or Epson Smart Panel from the App Store. Once done, open the app and grant location and network permissions so it can find printers. Once the app is ready, tap Add Printer or Printer Setup and let it scan. The app uses network discovery to list available Epson models. If you don't have a router, enable Wi-Fi direct on the printer and connect your phone to that network. This creates a direct link without the router. After selecting the printer, follow on-screen prompts to accept certificates, enter the Wi-Fi password if required, and complete registration. This pairs the devices so you can print. You finish by sending a test print to verify the connection and check margins and color. If the phone cannot find the printer, restart the printer and phone, then reconnect to Wi-Fi. Small network glitches are often fixed this way. Make sure the router's firewall isn't blocking discovery and confirm the printer has a valid IP address in the same subnet. As a last resort, reset the printer's network settings and repeat the setup in the app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.